I think the quality of the audience here in the IQPC exchange is very good. I like the mixture of people that are decision makers and people that are really interested to understand what we can offer.
It is definitely a high-class audience, so I've got a lot of people who have access to C-level, and I'm very pleased with the level of the people that are attending this.
The intellect and the sort of insight that some of these guys have got has been really useful from a feedback point of view and from a sort of business development point of view.
Attendees that I think are invested in a program like this, who aren't paid to be here, really helps to extend the value of our time and of course the overall value of what IQPC provides to our company.
The one-to-one meetings give you the opportunity to really get down to understand what the potential clients are looking for, and you have a chance to explain in detail the sorts of products and services that you can offer them.
And what's really wonderful about the one-to-one meetings is it's a mutual. The attendees are there out of a mutual desire to learn about one another. They are pre-screened, which saves a lot of time and provides a lot of benefit from us as a company.
The one-to-one meetings are very efficient because the people have short time and we are very well prepared in many situations, and this is what I really like.
I love the networking opportunities here because you meet so many people and everybody is so relaxed. It's not like at a trade show where everybody is shying away and please don't talk to me because I don't know have something sold by you. It's really that everybody is interested to learn about these solutions and to learn about what can be offered here, so it's a great example.
The quality of the networking opportunities is really extraordinary. What I have found is that it's an environment where people can be relaxed, they can be themselves, business is done during the day, and there's truly an opportunity to network and get to know fellow peers and suppliers at these other networking opportunities.
Well, I think the business opportunities were pretty good. People are at the point where they're interested in potentially purchasing a solution or learning with the intent to purchase.
Our opportunities have been far beyond what we expected, and the companies that we're dealing with are world players, and that suits us down to the T.
The IQPC team, they're extraordinary. They are consummate professionals. The quality of the engagement, both for the delegates, from what I've heard, as well as the attendees and the sponsors, is truly exceptional.
I love working with the IQPC team. It's always professional, it's nice, it's friendly, and it's feeling every time I come here, it's feel like coming home again.